Hi everyone, Edit All Your Cars. Today we've got this 2010 Mercedes Benz CLS. It's a 350 CDI Grand Edition, finished in iridium silver with the black leather, and it's got the very sought after AMG Styling kit. So you get the AMG bumpers, wheels, and the darkened front lights. Nice spec on this one. It's got the front Parktronic, as you can see. As I've already mentioned, the darkened lights and the AMG kit. The wheels are finished in an anthracite grey. We've got Michelin tyres all round. Brand new disc and pads on the front. It's got a glass sunroof. Condition wise, excellent. You will not be disappointed if you choose to view this car. I've got the AMG exhaust tips as well. The rear parking sensors, LED rear lights. This is a facelift car. Absolutely stunning. Oh. It's about -20 in our photo room, so apologies if I'm sniffling. It's very cold today. Inside, all very clean and tidy. I'll just show you in the boot to begin with before we move inside. All nice and clean. Good big boot. All your toolkit, locking wheel kit, etc. is there under the seat. In the back, seats look like new. There are only 2 seats, these are only 4-seaters. Got your armrest and your storage in the centre there. Switch gear's all really good. In the front, again, very nice. Seats are in really good condition. A little bit of wear on the driver's bolster, but it's got to be expected with this mileage and at this age. You've got folding power mirrors, memory seats, all your electric windows, Harman Kardon, auto lights and wipers. This one does have xenon lights as well, not all of these do, so watch out for that if you're looking at one. It's got the cup holders, the Airmatic suspension and the parking sensors, heated seats, command navigation, electric steering column as part of the memory pack. Up here we've got your cruise control and your speed limiter, and then this side we've got your voice control. As you can see there, the vehicle has done 78,460 miles. I'll just start the car so you can see there's no warning lights. Just the fuel light, everything else illuminates and goes out as it should, nothing to hide there. All very healthy, first start of the day. Got your radio, your navigation, CD changer, memory card, media interface and auxiliary. It says video, I don't think this one's got TV, no it's not. But it does have Bluetooth, radio, navigation, and your CD changer there. Heated seats, and that's really it. It's got the climate control, the glass sunroof. They don't get much better than this. If you would like to arrange a viewing or a test drive, give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in. Thanks for watching.